Over the three-day holiday weekend, President Biden and House Speaker McCarthy reached a deal to raise the debt limit ceiling, which hit $31.4 trillion in January. The 99-page bill has headed over to the House Rules Committee this morning, where the committee will vote to send it over for a full House vote expected on Wednesday. Hello, traders. Gary Wagner here. It is 12:07 in Honolulu, 6:07 in New York on Tuesday, 30th day of May, 2023, and this is the Daily Report for gold and silver. Gold futures had a strong upside move of $14.60, taking the most active futures contract to $1,958.90. Today's move in gold created strong technical indicators showing that a potential reversal for the recent downtrend might have concluded. The first thing that we'll notice is that gold opened and closed well above the simple 100-day moving average, as well as the Fibonacci retracement of 50%. The retracement data set that we use goes from $1,810 up to $2,084. Also, a Japanese candlestick pattern simply called a three-river morning star can now be identified, and the criteria for this pattern is it must occur after a defined downtrend. That certainly is the case in recent price action, followed by a long red candle on the first day. The second day would be a star that gaps below the real body of the long red candle, and completed today when we had a long green candle. We would want confirmation of this before entering a trade, which we are currently having with gold trading overseas in Australia at $1,977. If gold holds this particular price point, that would indicate to us that we have a clear bottom in place, and we would use that to trigger a buy signal in which we would send out a trade alert via SMS text message as well as email. The dollar declined by 0.16%, taking the index to 103.965. If you recall from Friday's show, we talked about the fact that we could identify a doji. A doji is a price point in which the market opens and closes at roughly the same price. We certainly could identify that on Friday. We said that we would want to see follow-through selling today or a red candle. We did get that. However, we do not have a lower low than the low that occurred on Thursday of last week, but nonetheless, it's a clear indication of a potential top in the dollar. Silver had a price decline of 7 cents or 0.30%, with the most active July contract currently fixed at $23.29. On Friday's show, we also looked at silver, which has been in a strong price decline from approximately $26 and change down to these recent lows at around $22.70. We had an engulfing bullish pattern, which really did not confirm. You would like to see a green candle here. Silver did trade to a higher high and a higher low as Friday's action, but it was a red candle. So we need to see silver break above its 100-day moving average before triggering a strong buy recommendation, as we spoke about on Friday. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you as always good trading. We will talk to you tomorrow for the next daily update and review. Bye-bye.